Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, definitely looks like we had the end of a wave 3 right here. Now, we do have interest rate this evening, which for me is in the middle of the night. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning for the JPY, so I definitely won't be trading that. But we also do have interest rate for the US dollar tomorrow, and the yen is a risk on, risk off currency, so it definitely will be affected by tomorrow's news also, which I am live streaming for the interest rate. For the US dollar FOMC interest rate tomorrow, so definitely make sure you check that out on YouTube. So, anyways, if this really is the end of a wave 3, which it definitely looks like it is, then this is very likely to make a correction like a wave 4, probably going down at least to the 38% before it goes up and makes a wave 5. You have to realize that this wave 4 is probably going to last at least 6 months, maybe 8 months or longer. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, if this really is a wave 3, which it kind of looks like it is, then we are probably not even remotely close to being over with even the wave A of wave 4. Then it's probably going to have to make a wave B of wave 4 and then another push down for a wave C of wave 4. I literally think this is going to take at least until spring 2025 before this move is complete if it really is a wave 4. Taking it down to the daily time frame. Yeah, we are going up pretty strong right now, but we do not have a breaker structure. We do not have a higher low. For me, the trend is definitely still down. And with the fact that we got JPY interest rate news tonight, I think there's a pretty good chance that it will continue down. I think if this is a wave A of wave 4, then it needs to at least look something like that. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think this is very clearly an A, and this is very clearly a wave B. If anybody watched my pound yen analysis yesterday, then you probably had a really nice long opportunity at the end of this move because I said that it was going to end at wave B and start a move to the upside for a wave C. Now, I think we are currently in a wave C. I would expect it to go up to at least one of these two fib levels. Then, if we get an engulfing move to the downside, a nice breaker structure, then I think that's going to be the sort that we are waiting for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I think we are very clearly in a wave C right now. I mean, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now. If you were long from down here yesterday, then yeah, that's a very good trade. Otherwise, I would actually patiently wait for the wave C to be complete. I think it needs to go at least minimum to the 50, could even go up to the 61.8. What doesn't really matter, whichever level it decides to turn at is fine by me. If I see a nice impulsive move down, a nice breaker structure at a Fibonacci level, then I definitely will go short for the continuation of this downtrend, which I still think is a wave A of wave 4 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, down here. And as always, thank you and happy trading.